A seat is up for grabs on South Carolina's highest court, which has made critical decisions in recent years on abortion, the death penalty, and school funding. And in an unusual twist, the race is pitting the justice who currently holds that seat against a top former lawmaker in a contest that'll ultimately be decided by the legislature. State House reporter Mary Green has the latest details.
Monday began the annual screening by the Judicial Merit Selection Commission, or JMSC, of people who want to be judges in South Carolina. The chair describes it as a professional and personal background check to determine who's qualified before the General Assembly picks winners. South Carolina is one of 2 states where the legislature elects judges.
Our question with this commission is qualification.
The most watched race of this cycle is for a state Supreme Court seat. It's unusual for people to challenge a sitting justice who wants to retain their job, but that's what's happening right now, with 3 other candidates running against Justice John Few, who's held the seat since 2016.
There are times when the experience of a lawyer or a judge being in the courtroom trying cases are invaluable.
Few defended his record and answered questions about concerns raised about his temperament. In a notable decision, Few was also part of the majority that struck down a restrictive abortion law in 2023, while penning an opinion that provided essentially a roadmap for Republicans to pass a subsequent and very similar law that the court, including Few, voted to uphold.
While the crux of the statute is the same, the policy judgments are different. To me, that changes everything.
Among the 3 men running against Few is Jay Lucas, a former South Carolina Speaker of the House who retired from the legislature in 2022. Lucas has been an attorney by trade for decades, but has never been a judge.
I would not be running if I didn't think our court needed civility, discernment, reason, judgment. Those are things that I bring to the table.
This Supreme Court seat is for a 10-year term, but Lucas is about 3 years away from the state-mandated retirement age for judges of 72. But he threw members of the JMSC a curveball Monday when he was asked about that.
I think the statute that deals with the retirement age at 72 years deals with eligibility to receive retirement benefits. It doesn't preclude eligibility to serve. I think I could serve my entire term, sir.
This is unheard of in South Carolina courts.
The 2 other candidates running for the Supreme Court are Chief Administrative Law Judge Ralph Anderson and Appeals Court Judge Blake Hewitt. And in January, the commission will publish its full reports of which candidates are found qualified and advance to the full General Assembly for its consideration. Elections are held in the spring. Reporting from the State House, I'm Mary Green.